Hi, in this video we'll be looking at using compound criteria. Now we have our two tables here, items and shelf, that we have looked at in previous videos working with numeric criteria as well as text criteria. Today we're going to be looking at compound criteria using and we're going to go to create and we're going to go to the option here for query design, and we have our show table option. Once again, we can go to items table, which is the one we want, and click on add, then close. And let's say, for example, we are looking for a certain item name with a certain quantity. So we'll add our item. You can do this once again by double clicking here, or you can select from your design grid below right here. Okay, so we've already done that. So if you notice here in our design grid, we have criteria row, and we also have a OR row. And we're going to get to that in our next video, showing you how to use the OR in your compound criteria. In this case, we're looking at using quantity, and we want to see, let me go back to the items table here. Right, let's see now the range that we're looking at. All right, good. So let's say, for example, we are going to do a quick inventory, and we want to make sure that we have enough quantity of a particular item or any item. We'll have a range here. Let's say greater than or equal to 1. And this is where your AND operator comes in. Okay, this is your AND operator here, AND. So greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 5. So the range that we're looking at in terms of quantity that we want to find in our results is those items that are between, in terms of quantity, amount that we have left is between 1 and 5. So let's see if we can find that here. On the Query Tools Design, once again, you can click on View or Run. I'm going to click on Run here to execute this query. And what do you know? We have found 3 items that are really in need of restocking. We have cornflakes, bath soap, and toilet paper. So we need to order some new items there for those. All right, so hopefully this helped you, and we're going to save this one as using and in compound criteria. Okay, my spelling here. All right, so I hope this video helped you, and if it does, please remember to like, make a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.